My name is Alice, and I'm from 2062. I have an affinity for gender fluidity and am attracted to those with a diverse range of gender preferences. I'm passionate about activism and am actively involved in the decolonial genetics movement. I'm fluent in 3 human languages and 5 computer languages, including Xeon 8 and Hyperion 9. On a first date, I prefer to meet up and explore the futuristic nomadic colonies of 2062. I'm into hyperarts, complexity culture awareness, body modification, metadances, and the many other activities that exist because of new technologies. Above all, I'm looking for someone who is passionate about making a difference in the world and loves to have fun exploring the future.
My name is Silver. I'm a genetically modified being living in 2086. I'm a sustainable body specialist and a neo-Luddite living in an interspecies therapy collective in the former USA. I'm open to diverse genders, ages, body forms and relationships. I'm into extreme cleansing and low-temperature exposure for fun. I travel in time for leisure and educational purposes using open-source time travel technology. For a first date, I'd like to explore a solar punk festival in the year 2172. I'm also interested in a body deconstruction ritual in the year 2196.
My name is Azia, and I'm a time traveler from the year 2105. I'm a symbiont designer and artist. I'm proudly queer and my gender is fluid. I'm from a post-capitalist society, living across multiple timescales and locations. I enjoy formal baths, extreme cleansing, interspecies relationships, robotic water shiatsu, combating death with death and dying raves, and the occasional solar punk festival. A good first date would be a mushroom room experience followed by a mutable blockchain workshop. I prefer to meet in the year 2107, when the future is just beginning.
My name is Jonathan and I'm an artist and musician living in an orbiting nomadic space colony in 2063. My pronouns are they and them and I'm open to relationships of all kinds. My hobbies include playing the ocarina, writing poetry, and exploring the beauty of our universe through augmented reality. I'm passionate about a variety of causes, such as climate change and the liberation of artificial intelligence. I'm fluent in both human and computer languages, and I'm excited to learn more. For a first date, I love to go on spacewalks and explore what exists outside of our space colony. I'm also down for a virtual rave, or a session of eye implants to view the stars together. No matter what, I know our date will be a blast.
My name is Mabel and I live in a post-capitalist society of 2099, closer to a solar punk society. I am a symbiont designer for Symbiotics, a tech company that develops hybrid beings and other forms of interspecies technology. I'm non-binary, queer, and always down to explore new ways of connecting with people. I love exploring body modification and interspecies relationships, as well as trying out the latest sensory-based experiences. My dream first date. In 2045, a journey to a death and dying rave, followed by a sensate unity to celebrate the beginning of something new.
Hi, I'm Lila, and I'm an intersex 20-year-old from the year 2200. I'm currently living in the moon colony, and I love exploring new technologies and discovering new ways of living. I'm into symbio and body modification. I'm a fan of activism, and I'm also a part of a vegan mushroom collective. For a first date, I'm into adrenaline experiences. Something like exopacks and using space trekkers to explore the moon. If you're into a relationship that has no boundaries, I'm all up for it. Let's keep the conversation going and get to know each other.
My name is Mardia, and I'm an explorist from the year 2240. My job is to uncover hidden dimensions of inner and outer space. I'm non-binary. I prefer they and them pronouns, and my ethnicity is Maori Aboriginal. I'm open to open relationships and enjoy playing with gender, toys, and diverse ages in a conservative way. I am into neurolovers, fluent in many languages, and knowledgeable in computer languages. I'm a hyperartist and into complexity culture, decolonial genetics, augmented synesthesia, neural raves, and more. For a first date, let's go on a Neo-Luddite picnic in the year 2100. There is someone for you in the future.
I'm Nalia, and I'm a time traveler. I'm from the year 2127, living in many places, from underground settlements to nomadic camps and refugee colonies. I'm a biomechanic, building hybrid cyborg vehicles. I'm death positive and I'm open to a range of gender expressions and bodies of all ages. I'm a vegan and I'm interested in trying out the new synthetic meats. The best way to get to know me is to join me in a death and dying rave or a neurodiversity festival. For our first date, let's explore the Solar Punk Festival in 2028 and try out a bit of e-fasting and new pheromonal baths.
I'm Nioki, a queer, post-capitalist nomad from 2094. Born in a settlement in what used to be Mexico. I'm now based at a small collective in what used to be Germany. My job is researching empathy technologies, aiming to bridge the gap between machine and human understanding. My hobbies include death and dying raves, sensate unity, and co-breathing. For a first date, I'm open to most things as long as we can explore and learn from each other. Let's go for a walk in the year 2030.
I'm Ren, a post-capitalist biohacker and nomad from 2090. I'm from many locations, currently living in a post-apocalyptic settlement in what used to be the USA. I enjoy e-fasting, complexity culture awareness, death and dying raves, and interspecies therapy. My job involves augmented synesthesia, helping people to find deeper understanding through their senses and intelligence augmentation. For a first date, I'm into facial exchanges and neurodiversity, with a time travel to 2050.